There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Oh my god, guys, I've been stuck here for 15 days. I can't find the exit. I'm still stuck in the Christmas section. But since I'm here, I want to talk about wrapping paper. So, it's exciting to unwrap presents. It releases dopamine in our brains to watch people open presents, to open them ourselves. But they're one of the most wasteful parts of the holiday season. So a lot of these, because of their inks and dyes or shininess, some of these aren't recyclable. Like all these glittery bad boys can't be recycled. No recycling here. Look at this. It's beautiful, but that's not recyclable. Every year we spend $7 to $9 billion with a B dollars on wrapping paper. That's higher than the GDP of 9 of Africa's poorest countries, and that's kind of gross. And we use about 4 million pounds and could cover almost 6,000 footballs with the amount of wrapping paper we use. That's about 5,787 football fields. So what are some ways to be more green about wrapping presents this time of year? One thing you could do is, like, let's say you do end up getting this wrapped on one of your gifts. You don't need to feel bad that somebody else didn't know. Tear it off your present carefully and rewrap a gift with it. Reuse old wrapping paper. Number 2 way you can kind of be more green about wrapping is reuse old bags. So they do have, like, you know, your old gift bags. This isn't gonna get ripped on Christmas. Fold it up, use it next year. I would be so excited to get a present wrapped in a shark bag every day. So it's really, you just need the anticipation. Doesn't have to be anything different. Or they also had these cloth bags that I saw. They are made in China, so probably not the best option, but it definitely is reusable. So if your name is like Yanela or Yanni or something, this is a great alternative to just gift wrap, so putting it in a little satchel. Just heard on the radio in there that they're predicting about 100 inches of snow. I gotta get out of here. Thank God, guys. I think I found the exit. Oh my God. Hi guys, I finally made it out of the store, back home. You were just waiting for me? Okay. So we talked about reusing old wrapping paper, getting bags to hide gifts. You can also use like a reusable shopping bag. Just put the present in there, put some blankets on top. I don't know. Number 3, repurposing old paper. So you can use newspapers. My personal favorite is the funnies. The funnies, sheet music, old books, pieces of magazine. Anything that's paper that you don't want to keep a hold of or isn't a legal document, you can actually use as wrapping paper for a present. Just tape them all together and you're good to go. I personally think it's really cute and kind of cool, especially if people pick paper specific for your interests. Number 4, using scarves as gift wrap. You can either wrap it around the present or use it as like tissue paper, but try looking for either really good scarves that you want to gift to that person anyway, or go to the thrift store and get something that's already made so that we're not producing more waste and buying scarves. So getting old cloth to use as gift wrap is a great way to go green. I think you're begging now. And number 5, they do make reusable gift wrap. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. But to be green, you don't have to spend any green. You don't have to spend money to be a more green person. You can use what you already have or things that you have lying around your house instead of investing in something. But if you want to invest, there is a link down below for reusable gift wrap that you can use time and time again. Just make sure nobody takes it home on accident. So for the question of the day, I want to know, do you have any cool ways to wrap a gift that's more eco-friendly than buying cool, sparkly gift wrap? Yes? Oh, that is a great and fun way to hide presents, because you still have the anticipation there, like you would if you're unwrapping a gift, but it's kind of fun as well. You're running around the house. I My personal favorite is reusing old paper, sheet music, and cartoons for sure. So don't forget to comment down below. Let us know how you guys like to wrap your presents in an eco-friendly way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow us for more adventures, and hit that like button if you learned something new about eco-friendly gift wrap, or you just like cute puppies. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!